everyone, and welcome back to What the Fun English, the place where learning English feels simple, natural, and actually fun.
I'm Josh, that's Becky, and today we've got another guessing game for you.
Yes, and this one is all about toys. Simple toys you can find almost anywhere in the world.
And just like always, we'll describe something using the senses, plus a few extra questions to make the guessing fair.
Ready, Josh?
Yes, ready. Let's go. First question. What does it look like?
It looks long and thin.
Long and thin. Okay. So not a toy you can hide in your pocket. Is it a skateboard?
No, not a skateboard.
All right. What does it feel like?
It feels smooth, but a little stiff.
Smooth and stiff. Sounds like something made of plastic. Maybe a hula hoop.
Nope, not a hula hoop.
Okay. Next question. What does it sound like?
It makes a swish sound when you move it fast through the air.
A swish sound, like something spinning? Could it be a helicopter toy?
No helicopters today, Josh.
Good. Those stress me out. What does it smell like?
Honestly, almost nothing. Just a little like plastic.
Plastic smell. Long, thin swishes in the air. Okay. What shape is it?
It's basically one long line with two small handles.
Oh, handles. That helps. What do you do with it?
You move it in circles and jump over it.
Is it a jump rope?
Yes!
Finally. My brain is awake now.
Okay, now it's your turn to describe something.
Same topic. Toys everyone knows.
All right, Josh, I'm ready. What does it look like?
It looks light and colorful.
Colorful, okay. What does it feel like?
Very light. Almost like paper.
Paper-like. So maybe something that moves in the air? What does it sound like?
It makes a soft flutter sound when the wind hits it.
A flutter sound. Like a bird's wings?
Softer, like paper moving in the breeze.
All right. What does it smell like?
Not much. Maybe a tiny bit like fabric.
Fabric smell. Colorful, fluttering. Okay. What shape is it?
Usually a diamond shape.
Diamond shape, paper-like, wind. Josh, is it a kite?
Yes.
Nice! 2 for 2 today.
Your challenge today. Choose one toy you know and describe it using the questions from this episode.
If you want extra practice, write your description in the comments. We love reading what you create.
Thanks for spending your time with us today.
And thank you for learning English with What the Fun English.
See you next time.